In an outdoor storage yard, a forklift repositions large, vertically stored slabs. A worker on foot adjusts materials in the immediate vicinity. As the machine operates, one of the heavy slabs becomes unstable and unexpectedly shifts. This moment underscores the importance of maintaining a safe perimeter around moving loads and ensuring materials are properly secured before and during transport. This aerial view shows a waste collection truck during a routine emptying procedure with a large dumpster. As the automated lifting arm moves the container, an individual is positioned in the narrow space between the container and the truck. The movement leads to an extremely hazardous situation. It is a critical reminder that a clear zone must be established and verified around all heavy machinery before any operation begins. Within a modern factory, an automated robotic system performs its programmed tasks inside a safety enclosure. A worker enters the active work area while the machine is still in its operational cycle. An unexpected situation occurs as the worker's position conflicts with the robot's movement path. Safety protocols, such as lockout, tagout procedures, are designed to prevent such events by ensuring machinery is fully de-energized before human entry. In this storage facility, workers are positioned at the base of a very tall stack of heavy sacks. Without warning, the stacked goods become unstable, and the entire structure gives way. This incident highlights the inherent risks of improper stacking. Following guidelines for stack height, weight distribution, and interlocking patterns is fundamental to maintaining a safe warehouse environment. Inside a wood processing plant, a forklift transports a tall stack of unsecured panels. As the vehicle navigates a turn, the load center of gravity shifts, causing it to become severely unbalanced. The entire stack of material is displaced onto the factory floor near another workstation. Securing loads with strapping or wrapping, especially when they are tall, is a vital step in preventing material handling incidents. On an automotive factory floor, workers perform tasks near a robotic assembly line. One technician steps inside the designated safety perimeter to make an adjustment while the system is active. The large robotic arm continues its sequence, moving a vehicle frame into the space now occupied by the worker. This scenario demonstrates the critical function of safety interlocks and the rule to never enter a robot's work envelope during operation. A worker is performing maintenance on a large industrial press. While they are positioned directly in the machine's path of operation, an unexpected mechanical issue occurs. The heavy upper component of the press begins to move downward. This is a powerful illustration of why lockout-tagout procedures are essential. All potential energy sources must be completely isolated and verified before any service work begins. In a warehouse, several workers are taking a break on the floor. Nearby, a forklift operator uses straps to lift a heavy, stacked pallet. As the load is raised, it begins to swing unpredictably, and its movement leads to a loss of control. Establishing designated safe zones for breaks away from moving equipment and ensuring proper rigging techniques are used can prevent such dangerous situations. At an outdoor repair site, an individual works underneath the raised bed of a dump truck, which is supported only by its hydraulic system. Suddenly, the hydraulic pressure is lost, and the structure gives way, lowering rapidly. Never work under a load supported solely by hydraulic or pneumatic pressure. Always use certified mechanical supports or locking bars to secure the equipment physically. 2 sanitation employees work at the rear of their stationary vehicle. A small truck in the adjacent lane begins to reverse without a clear view of the area directly behind it. The reversing vehicle makes contact with one of the workers. This emphasizes the need for high visibility vests and the importance for all drivers to be aware of their blind spots, especially in areas with pedestrians. In a narrow industrial driveway, a worker stands directly in the blind spot behind a large truck. As the truck starts reversing, the movement leads to a loss of balance for the person behind it. This is a near miss that reinforces a key safety principle. Always make positive visual contact with an equipment operator before entering their path of travel. At a shipping container terminal, a pedestrian walks across the active yard. Simultaneously, the operator of a large forklift begins to execute a turn. The vehicle's path intersects with the pedestrian, leading to an unexpected event. Using designated pedestrian walkways and being aware of the large blind spots around heavy machinery are crucial for safety in such environments. Inside a large industrial facility, a worker attempts to clear a material jam from a powerful roller machine while it is still operating. The moving material suddenly pulls the worker toward the rollers, creating a severe entanglement situation. This lengthy incident is a stark reminder that machinery must be completely stopped and de-energized using lockout, tagout procedures before any attempt is made to clear a jam or perform maintenance. A truck loaded with loose, heavy produce is parked on a narrow, sloped street. The structural integrity of the truck's side gate fails, causing the entire load to suddenly spill out and roll down the alley where people are walking. Regular vehicle maintenance and pre-trip inspections to confirm that all doors, gates, and latches are secure are essential for preventing cargo spills. In a metal foundry, workers are managing material in a large industrial vessel. An uncontrolled element is introduced, triggering a sudden and powerful thermal reaction. A large volume of superheated material is ejected from the container. Working with molten materials requires strict process control and specialized personal protective equipment to mitigate the risks of such unexpected events.